to Damini Chaudhary Official. Today's look is the smoky eye blue today that I have done. So if you guys are wondering how did I do this beautiful look, keep on watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to me and keep coming back for new videos. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day as well. So let's start in the video. So I've already done my eyebrows, I have already primed my skin and also applied my foundation already, and I have already applied my tapes as well to create that look of the cat effect. So I'm taking this beautiful palette, the Nudes Palette by Maybelline, and just applying that brown color and all over the socket of my eye, and then taking this darker brown than the first one and just doing it as a transition color. And this is going to be the base of my third eyeshadow, which I'm going to apply on the eyelid as well. Make sure to apply the eyeshadow evenly on both the eyes. So now I'm applying this technique, taking the darkest color which has shimmer in it, taking my setting spray, applying it over the brush, and then taking the color from the eyeshadow palette and then applying it evenly all over the eyelid. This technique actually helps your eyeshadow keeping it in place for a very longer period of time. Taking that blue color and then doing the same thing, putting the setting spray and then taking it and then dabbing it all over the eyelids and the entire socket area. Now taking this beautiful highlighter color, and then I'm gonna just apply it in the inner tear duct of my eyes so that it gives a pop-up effect. As you can see, I have applied it and it is actually giving a pop-up effect and just clearly just opening my eyes. And then again taking the same color, and then I'm going to apply this over my brow bone and just blend it in so that you get a natural sheen when light actually falls naturally on your face. And just removing my tapes in the end so that I have completed my look, and you can see the beautiful effect that it gives. Curl my lashes, taking my favorite Magnum Barbie mascara, applying it both on the upper and the lower lash line as well, and this gives a beautiful effect. I don't know if you require any falsies. You can actually see the clear difference when you apply mascara and when you don't apply mascara. This is one of my current favorites in the past 8-9 months I have been using. It's a beautiful mascara. I recommend to you all of girls. It's very affordable as well. And so I'm going to complete the look. So I'm just going to take this Glamcom blusher. It's a peachy corally type of a blusher, and just going to apply it by smiling all over the cheeks, apple of my cheeks. And moving on to my favorite part is the highlighter. I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I just swear by it. I love highlighting. So I'm just going to do it at my usual places that I love doing them. It's my cheekbones, which gives an extra sheen. You can just have a look how beautiful it looks. It just gives an extra sheen. And then applying it on my cupid's bow as well, and in the end on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm just taking this eyeliner by Me Now, and I'm just keeping my lips a little subtle because we have done a classic smoky eye brown. So I'm just going to take this, and this is, I don't know, this wanna gets focused. I don't think so it wanna gets focused. I tried my level but it does not. It's by Revlon. It's 018. It is Pink Paradise. It's the pink family, and I'm just going to keep it simple because we have already done a heavy glitter and a brown smoky eye on the eyes. So this is the final look. I hope you girls will like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching today's beautiful tutorial. I really loved it, and I hope you girls will also like it. Please do like it and do subscribe to my channel if you're new. It turned out really well, and it is looking really pretty. I hope you girls will also like it. And please do try, and please hit the like button. Please do subscribe if you're new to my channel, and keep following for new videos. Bye bye.